Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the place where we take you deep inside the world of ultimate luxury, jaw-dropping technology, and secrets that only billionaires get to experience. If you're new here, make sure you stick around till the end because today, you're going to step on board one of the most extraordinary floating palaces ever created. We're not just talking about a yacht. This is a $400 million super yacht, a vessel so advanced and so luxurious that it blurs the line between imagination and reality. Now, picture this. You're standing at the edge of the marina, the sun glistening on calm blue waters, and in front of you towers a sleek white ship stretching over 450 feet in length. It looks less like a boat and more like a private floating city. As you step onto the teak deck, the scale alone takes your breath away. This isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle reserved for the rarest of the rare. Let's start with what most people don't get to see. The hidden rooms. Sure, you've heard about lavish staterooms and sprawling lounges, but behind carefully disguised walls and secret passageways lie private cinemas, soundproof recording studios, panic rooms for security, and even full-size medical suites designed so that the owner never has to step foot in a hospital. Some of these yachts even have submarines hidden inside, ready to launch beneath the waves for an underwater escape or exploration. Imagine throwing a dinner party upstairs while a submarine quietly slips into the ocean from a hidden garage below. The luxury doesn't end there. As you move through the yacht, you'll find elevators connecting all decks, climate-controlled wine cellars, holding rare bottles worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and entertainment spaces at rival five-star hotels. Private spas with massage rooms, Turkish hammams, and ice chambers are standard. Gyms come with personal trainers on call, while infinity pools sit on the edge of the deck, their water blending seamlessly with the sea. Some even transform into dance floors with the push of a button. But the magic of this $400 million masterpiece isn't just in its luxury. It's in its technology. These yachts are like floating fortresses. Advanced radar and military-grade defense systems can detect approaching vessels from miles away. Anti-drone technology ensures complete privacy in a world where everyone carries a camera. Stabilizers hidden beneath the hull ensure that no matter the waves, the ride feels as smooth as gliding across glass. And let's not forget the green tech. Hybrid propulsion systems, solar panels seamlessly integrated into the design, and AI-powered energy management systems that reduce fuel consumption by millions of dollars over the yacht's lifetime. Speaking of fuel, let's talk about the part most people ignore, the running costs. Owning a $400 million yacht is one thing, but maintaining it is another level entirely. The annual operating cost? Around $30 to $40 million a year. That's right. The upkeep alone could buy you another luxury yacht every single year. Fueling up can cost over $1 million for a single long journey. Crew salaries for the 60 to 80 highly trained staff members can easily reach into the tens of millions. Docking fees, insurance premiums, maintenance of engines, repainting the hull, replacing teak decks. It all adds up. Even the light bulbs inside these yachts are custom-made, and swapping them across dozens of rooms can cost more than an average car. And yet, for the billionaires who own them, this is pocket change. Why? Because super yachts are more than just floating toys. They are symbols of power, privacy, and prestige. On board, deals worth billions of dollars are signed in conference rooms overlooking the ocean. Celebrities throw secret parties shielded from paparazzi. Royals and heads of state host private dinners away from the eyes of the world. The yacht becomes not just a retreat, but an extension of their identity. It's also worth noting the customization. Every yacht of this class is unique. No two are ever the same. Owners commission world-renowned architects and interior designers to bring their wildest visions to life. Some ask for helipads that double as basketball courts. Others demand art galleries to display priceless collections. One billionaire even had an entire beach club recreated inside his yacht, complete with imported sand from his favorite tropical island. Its personalization taken to a level few can even imagine. But beyond the jaw-dropping luxury and sky-high costs, There's something else these yachts represent: the future. Designers are now integrating cutting-edge sustainability, electric engines, water purification systems that turn seawater into drinking water, and AI crew assistants that reduce the need for manpower. In many ways, superyachts are test beds for technologies that will one day trickle down into everyday shipping, cruising, and even private homes. So, as we step off this $400 million marvel, ask yourself this: is it just a boat, or is it the ultimate expression of wealth and vision? For some, it's a dream that will always remain out of reach. But for the few who own them, it's freedom, power, and luxury beyond comprehension. And that is the world we explore on this channel. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden rooms, secret tech, and staggering costs of the world's most exclusive superyachts, make sure you subscribe, because what you've seen today is just a beginning. From private jets that cost $5,000 an hour to military machines reshaping the future, we'll keep bringing you inside stories that the world rarely gets to see. So until next time, imagine yourself standing on that deck, staring at the endless horizon, and ask, what would you do if you had a $400 million yacht at your command?